In this video, we're going to find a derivative of tan x. Hopefully you know this definition, that tan x is equal to sin x over cosine x. You can prove it with SOHCAHTOA. I will make a video in the future doing so, but quite a lot of people have, so I don't really see the point. Anyway, we can rewrite this as sin x multiplied by cosine x to the -1. Now, I'm going to label this as a function, this is a function. So I've got two functions times together. One is a function inside of a function. So when I find a derivative, dy dx, what I'm going to have, first of all I differentiate sin x. So I'm going to get cosine x multiplied by cosine x to the -1 plus, because remember it's two functions times by a function, sin x. We differentiate the inside, that also becomes sin x. Differentiating the outside, I get -1 times cosine x to -2. Now, that's the first line done. We now need to simplify. This becomes 1. This becomes sine squared x. I also forgot to mention, this is going to be negative sine x. But you can see this -1 is going to cancel with this negative. So it's going to be positive sine squared x. We're also here, this is the same as 1 over cosine squared x. So on my next line I'm going to have 1 plus sine squared x over cosine squared x, which is the same as, we've got two options. We can either make it one fraction, or we can make it 1 plus tan squared x, which is the same as sec squared x. And I'll write this a bit neater, sec squared x. If you don't know what sec squared is, look up the reciprocal trig functions, do a bit of research on them. You're going to need to know a Pythagorean identity that links these two, so always do a bit of research on that. I hope this video was helpful. The derivative of tan x is sec squared x. Thanks for watching.